Oh, I think
He will rock you.
Hey, you want to keep this camera? You better give me my ship back.
You're shipwrecked. I've got your oar.
You are trying to
SOL.
mess with me. you pirate,
From the lagoon. I am a pirate.
She's
Give
a
me that
pirate.
oar. You
She's
classy
a pirate.
shipwreck.
She's a pirate.
I'm a pirate.
Through and
I love it.
Okay, here we are in the lagoon. The Caribbean lagoon in the biosphere, Cyan Con, and a pirate is trying to take my paddle. Are we halfway there?
I'm here.
But are we halfway there?
More than halfway there.
What will we do when we get there?
Well, we won't get out of these boats.
What do you mean? It's an island.
Yes, but it could be inhabited by wild animals.
Oh, good. I got a camera. I will shoot them.
Boys, you relax